Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's puppy video, you're going to need a half a banana, 1 strawberry, 2 dates, 1 mandarin orange, and about 15 blueberries. To start our puppy, we're going to make the face first. For our face, we need bananas, blueberries, our oranges, and the strawberry. Let's start with the eyes. We're going to need 2 of our banana slices, and I'm going to put them right in the middle of my board. Next, I'm going to grab my oranges, and the oranges are going to be the eyebrows. So I'm just going to grab 2 of them, 1 for over each eye. Next, I'm going to make the nose. Now, for my puppy's nose, I'm going to use the strawberry, but I'm going to need part of the strawberry for another facial feature. I could get a knife and cut this, but there's an even better way to get my strawberry shaped how I want it. What do you think that way could be? Are you guessing ask your mom? Sure, you could ask your mom or dad or any adult you have in the house with you to cut your strawberry, but I think there's a more even delicious way to get your strawberry in half. Did you guess using your teeth and nibbling it up? Yeah, let's do that. Go ahead and see if you can bite your strawberry to get it in half. If you bit your strawberry in half, you should have 2 pieces. I'm going to use 1 piece for the nose, and I'm going to set the other piece down here and turn it a little sideways. I'm going to get my other orange pieces now, and these are going to be the lips of the puppy. It has a little strawberry stain on it. Puppy lips are so cute and so kissable, and I might even turn my strawberry around to make it look more pink, like a puppy's tongue that goes. Next, I'm going to grab blueberries to finish off the eyes. I'll put 1 blueberry right here and grab another blueberry to grab right here. Now the cool thing about blueberries on bananas is that you can change them and move them around so the puppy is looking different ways. If I move my blueberries up, the puppy's looking up. If I move my blueberries off to the side, it looks like the puppy's looking off to the side. Watch what happens when I put them down below. The puppy's cross-eyed. That's silly. I'll put them right in the middle there. Now that I have my puppy's face, I can start to make the head. I'm going to start with my bananas. I'm going to grab my bowl here, and I'll just scooch my bananas onto the tray here. And I'm going to align my bananas, kind of making an arc over the puppy's head. Now if you have more banana pieces, that's fine, you can use them. I only have 5 pieces. There we go. The next step is I'm going to grab my 2 dates and put them down here as the puppy's ears. I love using dates and oranges too, because dates and oranges have a lot of calcium, and calcium is what makes our bones stronger. Dates are actually really delicious too. They're so sweet, some people even think they taste like caramel. Next, we're going to use our blueberries to make the chin. You might have more blueberries than me, you might have less. No big deal. Let's just stretch them out to make the underside or the chin of the puppy's face. If you don't have enough, you can always squish up your oranges and your noses and your bananas here to squeeze everything you can inside. What do you think about your puppy? Does he maybe look like a puppy you've seen? Do some of you even have a puppy? I have a puppy. He's a goofball. I like that I can change my dates to stick out more, or I can point them up because puppies have all different kinds of ears. I'm going to leave my puppy's ears floppy, like my puppy. Did you enjoy making a puppy with us today? We sure hope you did. We hope to see you next time. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right, and to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye!